Hi guys, and welcome to another exciting video of mine. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make money simply by just using your phone or your computer. And in this video I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make this money simply by just working from the comfort of your own home. So one, what you just need is a cell phone or a computer. Two, you need an internet connection, either a data or a Wi-Fi. And then three, you need from 5 to 10 minutes to do this thing. You can do this no matter where you are in the world, and this is 100% free. So without taking much time, let's go to my computer and let me show you how you can make this money simply by just doing this. So I've stopped making videos for some time now. I'm sorry to my subscribers and those who have been watching my video due to some small challenges. I'm back again now. So one, what you have to do over here is that we go to research Google News, and then when you go to Google News, we'll choose the first option over here. And then after that you'll see some headlines over here. We can see Man United, they've lost the Europa finals, and that's the news over there. So when you come to the side on the left hand side over here, you can see your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and then health. So let's go to the health, and then we'll go to nutrition. We have some news articles over here. So what happens to your body when you eat healthy every day? Eat this, not that. So let me choose that one. Okay, so here it pop-ups. So we can see over here we have this news article over here. So what we'll do is that we are coming to copy it nicely. So copy. So I've copied it. So after copying it, what we are going to do is that we need to write this article in a different form so that we'll not get any copyright strike. So we'll go to this website over here, which is called spinboot.com. So we paste our article that we've copied to this place. And what Spinboot does is that it's going to change our article. It's going to write it in a different form for us. So we click over here, I'm not a robot. So we wait till it loads. Then after that we click on go. So wait it, and this article is going to be, so the article has been written in a different form. So you can see over here it says, be honest, how many times have you decided to start eating healthy? So let's check here. Be straightforward, how often have you chosen to begin eating solid to lose some weight? So you can see over here the article has been written in a different form. So what we'll do is that we'll highlight it again over here. So let's copy it again, and then copy. Okay, so copy. So we have copied it over here. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to another website that is going to pay us, and this is the website that I'm going to pay us, eatingwell.com. So this website is going to pay us $1 per word. $1 per word. So when you write articles for this website, they are going to pay you simply by just doing this for free. So you don't need to use your hand to type anything. What you are going to use, you are going to copy these articles from any website you think, and you are going to give it to eatingwell.com, and you are going to get paid for that. So okay, so let me show you how you are going to do this, and Eating Well is going to pay you. So Eating Well, let's go where they have to give us we have to go to writers guideline, and we will see their email over there, and we are going to send this article to them, and when they review it and they accept it, they are going to pay us for that. So Eating Well, let's go to writers guideline. Okay, here it comes. So writers guideline. Okay, so let's search their email over here. Okay. Okay, so here is it. So let's copy their email address. So we copy it over here. So we'll go to our mail. let's go to our mail, and then we are going to send this article to them. So new mail. Okay, so to paste their email over here, paste. Okay, so this is their email. So because we've copied their email, we've lost the article. So let's go and copy the article again from Spinboard. Okay, so Spinboard. Okay, paste. So we are coming to paste it here. Okay, so assuming this is what you've written, you can copy more than that and write. So this will send it to, then you click on send. So we are going to send it to eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com. Eatingwell is going to pay you $1 per word. So when you write more words, they are going to pay you for that. So you can do this thing as many as you want, and they are going. So to be sincere to you, some of the articles they will not accept, they'll reject. Some they'll accept. So you can do more and more, and as more you do, as more money you are going to get for yourself. So this a website that I have for you today. You can just work on them. Mostly you can copy articles that is basically on health, and they are going to pay you. Eating Well is going to pay you $1 per word simply by just doing this thing for free. So you can use your phone or your computer, anything, to do this thing, and you are going to get money from it. So if you enjoyed this video and you like it, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified by it. Thank you for watching.